Hi y'all, I'm gonna show you real quick another way to start the hexagon braid that I had the other video with the black and red ribbon. I figured this out and it's a lot easier and less confusing than the one that I put the way that I started it the last video. Okay, so you just take your, I just double-sided the ribbon, and it's the 7/8 again. So your shiny sides are facing outward. And then I just interlocked them like this. Okay. And then from here, you just kind of go like that until it looks like where you're getting that hexagon shape, that you're going to get the hexagon shape. So it's about like that is how you're going to fold it. And then you fold this one. And then you fold this one. Then you fold this one, and see, here's your 3, so you can tell you're on the right track. And then you fold that one, and then you fold that one. And what I started to do is kind of crease these because it tends to look a little bit better if we do that. So I'll just keep going. Might as well. I think this one is going to look better than the 2-color when you bling it up, because for some reason I didn't love the bling on the 2-color one, but it might just be because I looked at it too much, maybe later or something. I might like it better. You know how that goes. Oh, see, I got off just a little bit on that, and so what I'm going to do is just try to go back right there and just refold where it meets up exactly. Again, it probably wouldn't make a huge difference, but I just like to keep it as nice and neat as I can. And if I notice a problem, I fix it. If I don't, well, then it is what it is. So I'm just going to go around, 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 and around. Gonna see how that is looking. See, the solid color for some reason just looks a little bit more, I don't know, fancy to me, I guess is the word. My camera setup is not very good, y'all, so I apologize for that. I keep going out of the view, but this is as good as I can get right now. I don't have a designated room for this. I have 2 carts that I have all my ribbon on, and it stays in what we call the craft or the playroom, which is, you can see from our living area, so it has to stay in a spot where I can easily like roll it off and hide it. So it kind of makes my whole setup a little bit more difficult, but that's okay. And there it is. It's in a solid color. All right, thank y'all.